child, I stood there when the summer sun did shine across the steeple of that little church down there, and we gathered every evening while the weather would be fine around the chapel gate in Clare. So in dreams I'd love to ramble down the village street and meet the boys and girls gathered there for to sing the good old songs, telling of old Ireland's wrongs around the chapel gate in Clare. There were weddings planned and matches made and stories old and new around among the boys that gathered there, and we played the football matches till the final whistle blew around the chapel gate in Clare. We would talk about the neighbours, the weather and the times, and to the boys who are courting on the sly, we would watch the callings pressing down and bid them the time of day, and perhaps we'd catch a twinkle in their eye. So in dreams I'd love to ramble down the village street and meet the boys and girls gathered there for to sing the good old songs, telling of old Ireland's wrongs around the chapel gate in Clare. Now I'm growing old and weary in this land so far away, yet I'll return to Ireland yet if God was fair, and when all is done they'll lay me at the closing of my days inside the chapel gate in Clare. So in dreams I'd love to ramble down the village street and meet the boys and girls gathered there for to sing the good old songs, telling of old Ireland's wrongs around the chapel gate in Clare.
Jerry, Marion. Jerry's a hard man to please when it comes to singing the chapel gates in Clare, so I hope that was up to your standard, Jerry. Now we're going to finish up. Thank you so much. You've been a great audience with the rain and everything. It's great to see such a crowd out. And just a reminder again that my new album, On a Day Like This, is available.